Hello guys and girls of the Aspiring Gent YouTube page. This is the first video of me just kind of vlogging, documenting how my week is going. It's COVID-19 season, so everybody's making more content. So why not I kind of just showing you what I've got going on around here and maybe just give you some fashion sewing tips along the way. First and foremost, I would like to ask if this is something you guys enjoy or you like seeing. Let me know and I will be making more. But if you're like, Lewis, keep just doing the tutorials. That's all we want to see. Also, it's not going to hurt my feelings a lot, maybe a little bit, but I will also go back just straight to doing that, which if I haven't already posted one on my channel, there is a tutorial coming soon, so stay tuned for it. This doesn't mean I'm done with tutorials. It's just more content that I'm going to be providing for you guys. So how about we start off with just a little bit about who I am and just where I live in general. If I'm going to be sharing my life with you guys, I might as well explain what this room even is that I am in. Some of you might know if you're on my Instagram, but let's just go off and show you what my tailor shop looks like. So coming in from the front door, we've got just about any machine that a tailor might need for general alterations. This is my straight stitch machine. Lighter duty than the other machine I'm going to show you, and this guy you can replace the foot, do zippers, but just straight seams, no zigzags, nothing special. This is the heavy duty leather upholstery machine. This one was actually donated to me by a really good friend of my fiance's family, and I haven't gotten it working yet. It does work, it runs. Again, it's just having some threading issues. I think I just need to oil it a little bit. But haven't needed this one yet, but it's going to be great for when I do denim hems and altering denim and even custom denim work. Moving over to the machine everybody has been asking me about how to use is this guy. This is an industrial blind hem machine. This is in my industry used for like dress pant hems. This can be used for many different things, like namely hemming curtains, women's dresses, other kind of pants that aren't just dress pants, but mainly what I use it for is just hemming dress pants because it gives a very nice strong hold, but without showing any stitching on the outside. And then over here, what you're gonna see is some more fabric. This has just been fabric that is laid out to show some people. Ooh, that fabric. These are just fabrics for the masks that I've been making, some of the patterned ones. I also have a humongous roll of black fabric that I've been using, which I'll show you in a little bit. There's my mannequin. I found him in a dumpster at our local mall, and I just felt like I couldn't let him go to waste. So I put him in here and only half dressed him. The rest of him will get dressed later. And then my tailoring wall. This is pretty bare because, as you'll see in a little bit, my workshop out in the other part of the house has most of the tools on it right now. So for the second part of the shop, and this isn't normal, this is just for the masks, this is what we are working with. I built this table right here in the dining room. Had a late night last night, so don't pay attention to the kind of the mess. But this is where I've been laying out, and let me show you up here my 135 yards of black material. Currently being used for a studio setup. Did some content for the masks with my friend Jake, which you will be seeing on my Instagram if you follow me there, or maybe I'll show some in the slides for this video. But this was a makeshift backdrop, which turned out amazing for the photos that we needed. But normally that guy is sitting on this table, roll them out, fold it, and I'll show you that process on how I cut out all the masks. And then I use my rotary cutter, some scissors, and these huge cutting mats to kind of finish off the masks. But this is where I'm working at most of the time, this 8-foot by 4-foot table, and doing a little bit of sewing in the other room with the machines. And actually a lot of the work is being done at the shop that I work at, Isaac Baker's, just because they have the machine that I need, and I could go out and buy it, but right now it just works for me to do it through there. But yeah, that's a little bit about the shop and my setup and where I'm working out of. If you have any other in-depth questions about machines, whatever have you, let me know in the comments and I'll be sure to answer those. So this morning, what is on the agenda? Making some mask deliveries, dropping off at the post office, some home deliveries. And then I got to get into Lowe's and get some more paracord because I'm almost out. So I grabbed the mask and we're gonna be running in there. Get whatever is left on this guy right here. Let's try and find someone who can help.
There you go. All right, have a great day.
Hey, I just need to get some paracord on the cutter. Just whatever's on there, I'll take.
Where at?
The black paracord right at the end. That guy.
All of that?
Yeah, whatever's there, I'll take.
Holy cow. I wish I had another reel to put it right on. Oh.
Well, there's this guy.
Yeah.
We roll it on that.
That'll work.
Perfect.
Let's see. I don't know if this thing will even count. This skinny. Our other option is each one of these squares is 11 feet. So,
Just run it.
yeah, run it up to where the umbrellas are up there and get on that edge. And that'll be 1, 2, 3 this way.
Glad to have that off. So just got out of Lowe's, bought 200 feet of paracord. I think right now with all the masks I've been making, I'm up to about 500 feet. And this will probably only get me through today. So probably gonna do some more hunting for paracord later on, but until then, gotta get back to the shop, make a few more deliveries, and we'll be done for this morning. And here we go, back in the car, more deliveries. I think it's like 7 o'clock right now, so day isn't over yet. So currently right now I am working on editing some videos, some tutorials for the YouTube for the Aspiring Gent, as well as some things for my other accounts and other friends and stuff that I've been working with. So yeah, I'm just in bed right now, just catching up on some late night editing. As you can see, this wallpaper is pretty much completely through the entire house. We're working on changing that, but for the next couple months, you're probably going to see that in a lot of my videos. So definitely going to have you guys check out the new videos that I'm dropping, tutorials. Let me know what you think. But I'll probably be going to bed soon, so good night. So as we come to the closure of this week, this first vlog, I definitely need a lot more skill at being able to do this and having the presence of mind of just pulling out my camera and filming when I'm doing things, because that was the hardest part for me, which is like, oh crap, I already did it and forgot to film it. So as these get a little bit better, you'll see much better video editing, different kind of content that I'll actually be able to capture. But in a nutshell, what did I do? You know, I did my live show, got prepared for that, wanted to document it, but didn't get to that. Posted a video that went up. It should be live right now, the tutorial on how to hem your pants. I do want to make a video walking through my process of creating videos. And then I made a bunch more masks, just kind of going in and out of the shop, making some things, filling orders, shipping. A lot of that was standard. Did some exercising for the first time in a while. So I'll do much better on the next one to try and give you a better look on what I'm doing, be more of the right mindset of recording. So thank you guys for watching this one. Again, if you liked it, let me know. If not, I'll stop making them. Maybe I won't stop making them because I kind of want to get better at it. But thank you guys for being here, and I will see you in the next vlog.